Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to promote crockery and glassware business on WhatsApp and boost sales automatically. So let's take an example that you are a crockery and glassware business owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your crockery and glassware business advertisement, and with those ads, you are getting lots of leads and entries on daily basis. But you are unable to reply to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now, you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the leads of your customers from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your crockery and glassware business brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your crockery and glassware business brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. But here, there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page named Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. This is the Facebook lead ad form, and this is the form actually looks like, where I have asked for the email address, full name and phone number of the customer. This is the Hometown Crockery brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here along with the brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive. So let us fill this form and let us give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let us give the full name as Adam Smith. Let us give his phone number over here. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here we can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our crockery and glassware store business. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. Okay, so message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check what is there inside this link. And here I can find the crockery brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay, so now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically a message along with the brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ad forms in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ad form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your crockery and glassware business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type PABBLY, Pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as send crockery and glassware business brochure to Facebook leads on WhatsApp. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your crockery and glassware business brochure send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, let us select new lead. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Click on this. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating the connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form which we have created to capture the leads. So the page name is Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. We have to select this particular page and this is the lead generation form. The same name is given, Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. So we have to select this particular form. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and here let us select the page name as Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. Here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created just one single form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to the form and we have to create a test lead on the name of some customer, just because after clicking on this option it is going to capture the recent response. So let us go to the form and here let us fill the details of the customer, email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let us give the full name as Shikha Arya and let us give her phone number over here. That is the WhatsApp number. Click on next. Submit. Thanks, you are all set. Go back to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is the email address, name Shikha Arya and her WhatsApp number is captured over here. Now we want to send a WhatsApp message along with the brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So let us come to this action window and here let us select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So let us go to 360 Dialog account. This is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find generate API key option. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it once again. Now here domain is required. Let us read the instructions for domain also. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we have to simply copy this example and paste the example over here. Whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on Save. As I have already created a connection, I'll click on Select Existing Connection and I'll click on Save. And here 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, then only we can use that template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So let's go to 360 dialog account, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Now here you can find I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on add template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type. Here you can give the template body text. Then you have to click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template. I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final. Let us read this template. Here you can see hello. I have given one number, two number. So I have given some numbers over here. So you might be thinking why these numbers are in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. For example, hello, here we want the name of the customer in the message. So the customer name is going to change every time. In this way, the values will be changing. Let us read the template. Thank you for showing your interest. Here your business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our glassware and crockery business. We can give link. Here your brochure link or the online flyer link can be mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. Here website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your business name is going to come. So let us select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. I'll just find the same template over here, that is send underscore brochure underscore final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have already received the customer details from Facebook lead ad forms over here. So basically we are going to map these details now. This WhatsApp number and this full name. So let us map the details. Let us map recipient mobile number from Facebook lead ads, and this is the mobile number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in the template hello, here we want the name of the customer. So let us map the customer name here in body field 1, and the customer name is Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in, here your business name is going to come. So the business name is Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. So you have to simply copy this name. You have to give the same name over here. Okay. Now body field 3, example software. Let us read the template. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our. Here you can give your business name once again, or else you can give Crockery and Glassware Store Business. So I have given the same name, Crockery and Glassware Store Business. Body field 4, here we want the link. Here in the template also a link is required. So I have uploaded Hometown Crockery brochure in my Google Drive over here. So I'll simply make a right click on this. I'll click on share option, and here I can find get link option. So I will simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Now body field 5, example, a website address is mentioned. So you have to give your website address over here, or else I'll just go to the Facebook page and from here I'll simply copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the URL over here. Body field 6, example Pabbly, here in the template. Thank you, regards, here again your business name is going to come. So let us just type the same name that we have given in the body field 2 also, that is Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. So I'll just type the same over here and let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. So let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can find the new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message that we have created in the template is displayed over here. Now things to note are the body fields and their values. So this was the first value, name Shikha Arya. The second we have given was this business name, Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. Third we have given was Crockery and Glassware Store business. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And last we have given the same business name once again. So here in this message we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed and the correct message is generated. Now let us check this link also. And here we can find the crockery brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. So now in this way we can see that a correct message with the correct brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and let us fill the details of some other customer. And here I have given the email address as akash123@gmail.com. I have given the full name as Akash Kapoor and I have given the WhatsApp number over here. Let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here we can find a new message. Hello Akash Kapoor. Thank you for showing your interest in Hometown Crockery and Glassware Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this customer, that is Akash Kapoor also. Now let us recheck this link. And here I can find Hometown Crockery brochure is shared with the customer once again. So here in this way we can see that the correct messages and correct link are going on the WhatsApp number of the customer and our integration is perfectly working fine. Now here one important thing to note is that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here, that is Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect now. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your crockery and glassware business brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.